Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Race car?
Yes, I'm a real race car. What do you think? Look at me.
I have followed the racing my.
Hey, kids! I'm coming!
It's futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Fillmore.
Really?
Here you are. What do you want? Oh, Lonnie, I'm sorry. Let's see.
Let's all get home safely.
You be careful too, Polly.
Will do.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or.
My life when I started Miss Critters Racing School, and I
Correcto, correcto, hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente y fuera.
mystery. It'll blow your mind, man.
Oh yeah, we're going to see all the...
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were out here.
I knew you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this good.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
You know what he said? The youngsters will tell you.
Oh, right. Wooden brake box. How could I forget?
Managed to sneak out his one and only piston cup.
Oh, don't see that every day, huh, Chuck?
Yep, Dusty. An engine that powerful only takes the...
A little something to remember us by. Okay.
Come back soon, okay?
A lot of cars have gotten a whole bunch.
Really?
Bet you're stupid.
Excuse me?
Who'll be jamming now?
Ooh, Dr. Feelbad!
Let's push this thing, see what we get.
Just that race of his.
Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Right back. Put it in reverse now. Make room for Mater.
Need no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him.
Great idea, Doc. Now the road will never get done.
Luigi?
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
You will have your chance, Guido. You will have your chance.
Guido, it's